everyone, I am from Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Subject Digital Microcontroller. Topic Logic Gates. Participants Pooja Pawar, Khushi Thakur and Shruti Kodekar. Guide by respected Ashita ma'am. Here we see logic gates. But what are logic gates? Basic building blocks of digital circuit. Data processing on the circuit is controlled using transistor. Output depends on logic gate and input. Input is one of two states, high or low. Output is also one of two states, high or low. Here we see what are logic gates used for. A logic gate is a device performing a Boolean logic operation on one or more binary inputs and then outputs a single binary output. Computers perform more than simple Boolean logic operations on input data, then typically output is more than a single binary digit. Here we see there are three basic types of logic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate.
An AND gate accepts two input signals if both two input values for an AND gate are both 1, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Now see a truth table of AND gate and symbol of AND gate. There are two binary digits 0 and 1. First one, we just told that an AND gate performs a binary multiplication of binary digits. In multiplying 0 with 0, we will get 0 1, with 0 or 0 with 1 we will get 0. Only we get 1 when 1 is multiplied by 1. Now 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. In other words, an AND gate is a digital device that produces high output only when all inputs are high and produces low output under all other inputs conditions. OR gate, if the two input values are both 0, the output value is 0, otherwise the output is 1. Now see here the symbol of OR gate and truth table of OR gate.
The OR gate is a digital logic gate that implements logical disjunction. It behaves according to the truth table to the right. A high output 1 result if one or both the input to the gate are high. If neither input is high, a low output 0 results. NOT gate. The NOT gate is a single input, single output gate. This gate is also known as inverter because it performs the inversion of applied binary signal. That is, this convert 0 into 1 or 1 into 0. Here is the truth table and symbol of NOT gate. Each NOT gate has only one input signal. Logically, with NOT gates, the input and the output swap. So if you input 1, its output as 0. Likewise, if you input 0, it outputs as 1. The NOT gate negates the values of data or signal in its input. It will always output the opposite signal. Its main function is to interchange logic. Thank you so much.